Toughness is the heart and soul of LiuGong. We don't just talk about it, we prove it every day. Using finite element analysis, fluid dynamics, and discrete element analysis, every component and every weld is rigorously considered to make it as tough as possible. Nothing is left to chance. Every step in our modern manufacturing process contributes to our toughness and build quality. The latest cutting and welding technologies, an MES intelligent manufacturing system, and AGV distribution system all prove our production credentials and comply with the most stringent international standards for quality and environmental management. But we go further. We've built one of the world's most advanced in-house testing facilities, capable of pushing our design, engineering, and build quality to the limits and beyond. Tough design, manufacturing, and testing. Everything we do is focused on keeping our customers working and earning for longer. That's the real toughness test, and we pass it every day.